are still flooded. Now for Harriett Island.
But they're saying that the river is dropping.
And so some of that will probably be gone by Friday. But most likely scenarios, they're going to fire off the fireworks probably almost in close proximity to where the police cars are right now for the 4th of July. Because actually, I think the fireworks were launched on the other side of Shepherd Road and not exactly on Harriett Island. Yeah, for who knows what event for the Science Museum. As you can tell, that it's flooding all the way over there due to the weather. All the rain that Minnesota has gotten in the month of June. Today is the 29th of June. Most of our flooding area happened about, I would say a week ago. In some areas, some of the rivers are starting to recrest. As you can tell, not the Mississippi River just yet. That is Harriett Island, straight across, which does the Irish Fest. That might not be happening. Also, that would have had happening right now is the Taste of Minnesota, which is now going to be happening in Waconia and not on Harriett Island because, well, you can see what's still on Harriett Island is some of the Mississippi River. Although this part of the Mississippi River in downtown St. Paul is in a floodplain. At least that's what one of the flags would say.